Today we have a new unboxing video. This is the Drinkmate Omnifizz. Now this has been out for a few months, I would say, maybe a little longer than that. I just have been keeping up with the Ninja Thirsty and then of course all the soda streams that I have. And I've always been interested. Reached out to the company, but they never responded. But that's okay. So this might be a game changer in the fact that, well, you don't have to do just water. You can pretty much do any fluid that you want. If you want to do tea, you can do tea. You want to do soda, flat soda, and recarbonate it, you can do flat soda and recarbonate it. You want to do orange juice, you can do orange juice. You want to do lemonade, you can do lemonade. You can do any drink at all. Heck, you could probably do pickle juice or hot sauce and probably even milk. And if you haven't seen any of my milk carbonation videos, definitely highly suggest that you check them out with the card above later on. So the Drinkmate Omnifizz is going to run you between $110 to $200. Just depends on what kit you want to get all together. And if you're just like me and experienced with carbonators, well, you can go with the cheapest option because I already have cylinders of CO2 laying around. This is the Simply Soda. Definitely recommend them. They are the cheapest out there right now. So I'm going to put that to the side. And then let's get into the unboxing of this machine. Now there is no electric needed for this. It's pretty much a mechanical button push down that you're going to use. And, well, you can carbonate it to your desire. So opening it up, we have a little cap for the bottle, and this is probably where the CO2 is supposed to go if you get the bundle. And we have the machine all together right here. Now, to comparison with the SodaStream Art, which is right here, it's a little bit smaller than that, just because it doesn't have the arm. And the base is also a little smaller as well. This was probably comparable to the SodaStream E-Terra, which is one of SodaStream's newest models that they have out. And very simple, easy unboxing, I must say, for this. So let's go ahead, take the bottle off, lift up, pull out. And this top right here is where all the magic happens with this machine. So definitely interested to see what type of technology they have with this and see how they can carbonate a whole bunch of different things without needing to just use water. Overall, this bottle here holds a little over 28 ounces. 850 milliliters is the max. No dishwasher safe, so you have to hand wash these. Max temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, which is 104 Fahrenheit. They always have these little stupid expiration dates on the bottles. I'm not sure why. I don't know if they actually really expire over time or not. And then, of course, your minimum is going to be 34 degrees Fahrenheit, which I put these inside freezers before. Have never had an issue, but don't do what I do. That's all I'm going to say. Now, the top part is interesting. It has these little prongs here, and that's going to contain all the pressure inside. This almost looks like the top on the Fika Carbonator Pro that I've done in the past, which they do not make that anymore. And this is the little cap that they give you, which actually just spins right on top. You do have the rubber seal at the bottom, and they actually gave you a little slit in the bottle itself at the cap where you can take the rubber O-ring out. You're definitely not going to be able to see this on camera. I'll keep rotating, but there's a little cut in the cap down at the bottom where you should be able to fish that O-ring out, because you definitely want to wash that too. I've seen them where they get the mold mildew underneath the O-ring. Well, that can also ruin a bottle of sparkling water. So this is where all the magic happens, right here. And this is what's proprietary to the company, I assume. is the nozzle actually isn't attached permanently to the system. So I assume no liquid can go up this nozzle here and get into the machine to junk it all up. Now there is a little flap here where you can depressurize everything with this blue tab. That's going to depressurize this whole bottle so you can open it safely. And then of course they just have some designs on the side, and yeah, pretty much it. So you screw it on like that, make sure it's on correctly. You don't have to screw too much, it's just locks into place, done. And then you slide this up here, put that in, done. Press down your button, carbonate your drink. And I'm not sure if they tell you how long you should hold that down for, if they have a depressurization safety feature built in already. I'm not sure. I'll have to read the manual later on, and I'll let you know in the first use and setup of this machine when we get to that video later on. So pretty simple. Just do that. Take this off. You definitely want to wash this as soon as possible to make sure this doesn't get gunked up, and then you're just going to put your cap on afterwards and you're good to go. So looking at the machine itself, it is matte black finished all around. It's got 4 little rubber stands right here, 2, 3, 4. That makes sure it doesn't slip. You do not have a tray underneath for water, but there should be no issue with overfilling this and over carbonating it, and when you take it out it just explodes everywhere. It's not going to happen with this machine, or at least it's not supposed to. So looking at the bottle mechanism here, just got 2 slats up top for you to slide on this part, and then it has a little hose area right here for the carbonation to get injected into the bottle. Now on top of it, we have a nice shiny plastic piece here. This is going to inject the CO2 into the bottle as well. And then on the back, well, this just comes off as one piece. Similar to the SodaStream Art, you just screw on your CO2 up here. This is going to be a screw-on. So they do have a hole at the bottom here, and you're just going to stick up your cylinder and then screw it in. So other than that, thank you for watching. We will be doing a first use and setup later on. I think I'm going to do another lemonade, lemon lime recipe for you guys. Maybe a raspberry lemonade, possibly. That might be the first drink I use to carbonate in this, and we'll just have to see later on. Links in the description below for all these products shown, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, fizz on.